Whilst your competitors are drowning in admin tasks, you could be automating 80% of your workload. Here's how. 5 AI tools are reshaping how smart businesses operate, and frankly, if you're not using them, you're already behind. First, ChatGPT for business. Stop writing emails from scratch. This handles customer service, content creation, and strategic planning. One client saved 15 hours weekly just on correspondence.
Second, Notion AI. Your chaotic notes and project management become a streamlined command center. It organizes everything and predicts what you need next. Third, Zappiar with AI triggers. Connect your apps so they work whilst you sleep. When a lead comes in, it automatically updates your CRM, sends follow-ups, and schedules meetings.
Fourth, Canva's AI Designer. Professional marketing materials in minutes, not hours. No design skills required, just results that convert.
Finally, Calendly's AI scheduling. It learns your preferences, optimizes meeting times, and handles the back and forth that wastes everyone's time. Here's the reality. These tools aren't just nice to have anymore. They're the difference between businesses that scale and those that struggle. Your competitors are either already using these or they're about to be left behind.
The question isn't whether you can afford to implement AI. It's whether you can afford not to.